Good morning, Cindy here, and this morning I want to talk to you about Gomphrena, and this one is the fireworks variety. This variety loves the intense heat. It loves our long sunny days. This is in full sun, 8 to 10 hours of the blazing over 100 degrees every day. I do have a drip underneath here, and so it gets watered twice a week. The deer don't seem to bother it at all. It's right out here in my front yard, and it has a really long bloom cycle. I planted it in the middle of spring from a little 4-inch pot, and it began blooming in the early summer, and it says it's going to bloom all the way till the first frost. It is an annual, so I will replant it again next year because I have just loved it so much. It's about 3 feet tall and 3 feet wide, so it does fill up a really nice part of this empty garden, and it makes a great cut flower. These stems are nice and long, and add these to another arrangement for a big pizzazz. So I wanted to give you an up-close view of these Gomphrena fireworks. As you can see, each of the buds has several pom-poms. Some of the other varieties just have 1 pom-pom per bud, but this one, it looks like some have 3 and some have 5. So they are really fabulous. So if you are looking for something that's easy care and looks fantastic, you really need to try this fantastic Gomphrena, and this one is fireworks. So if you like content like this, please like and subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.